welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for deciding to click on today's video. It is going to be an Ulta haul. It has been a minute since I've made a purchase from Ulta. I've been eyeing a few things and I went ahead and made a purchase. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys the items that I picked up. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so to be honest with you guys, I've been really selective with which products I'm deciding to purchase nowadays. I feel like with me being a reviewer, I receive so many products in PR and it's really just made me become more conscious of how much makeup I am having in my collection, and I really kind of just started to scale down on the products that I'm purchasing myself. I really only purchase the products that I'm like really interested in, or products that I've watched reviews on and things that I know that I'm going to like, just because I am always receiving so many other products. And sometimes when I purchase a ton at once and then I get a ton of products, it's just too much and I can't possibly try all of that makeup. So I've really just been trying to kind of watch what I'm buying. So I hadn't made a purchase from Ulta in quite some time, and they kind of reeled me in with some of their deals. So they actually had a 20% off, and then there was some sort of something where it gave you like a ton of points. I think it was like $17 worth of points. So I went ahead and just made a little purchase from them. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys all of the items that I did decide to pick up. So the first item that I have is actually a restock, and these are the Shiseido facial cottons. I love these for removing my eye makeup. They're my favorite. They're very gentle on the eyes, basically just a cotton pad, but I started using these, I think it was a year and a half ago now, and I just can't repurchase anything else because they are so good. They're just so gentle, and I feel like you only have to use like one pad. I can use one for both my eyes because they really do get all of the makeup off, but they're also just so soft that they're not one of those ones that like kind of peels apart on the eyes. I really love these, and I thought I would grab another one while I got them on sale. And then another repurchase, if you are new to my channel, you don't know my love for this product. Pretty much any Ulta haul that you see on my channel, I'm going to be showing you guys this. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. So they had their holiday version, which is this one right here, and it was on sale, and then I got to do the 20% off on top of the sale. It has the same amount in it. I'm assuming it's the same product. Finger crossed. If it's not, I'm going to be really upset. But it just has like the special packaging. From what I understand, it's the same product. So I went ahead and grabbed two of these because they were on such a good sale, and I go through these like butter because I love them so much. Okay, and then the next thing I feel like I kind of got sucked into, but I'm hoping I like this because I literally ordered 3 of them. So this is from Ulta's brand, and this is their waterproof eye and lip makeup remover. So I have been using the one from Sephora actually, and I really like that one. So when I saw that Ulta had one as well, I was like, well, let me give that a try. You guys are actually the one that recommended the Sephora one to me. I was actually purchasing the Lancome one before that, and the Sephora one is a fraction of the cost, and it really is pretty similar. So I went ahead and got the Ulta one, and it looks pretty close to the Sephora one. The Sephora one is blue, but this one's pink, but I'm really curious to try this out. It did have really good reviews on their website, but what I did was I actually purchased 2 more of them. So I have 3 of them because they were doing buy 2 get 1 free, and they were only $8.50 each, and I couldn't find anything else that I really wanted from the Ulta brand. It was kind of one of those things where it seemed dumb not to get something else, to get the one for free, but you know, they suck you in with those things because then I got a second one. Anyways, I'm hoping I really like this. Let me know. Just hit myself in the face. Let me know if you have tried this because I am really curious, and again, it's really affordable. I think it was only like $8.50, so it's even cheaper than the Sephora one. I am remembering it was buy 2 get 2 free because I also got the Ulta sponge, because I was like, wait a second, that doesn't make sense. So it was buy 2 get 2 free. So I did go ahead and get this sponge from Ulta just because I was curious. And again, I didn't want to order a 4th one of those, and I was really just trying to get the 2 for free. So I haven't tried their sponge before. It did have good reviews on their website. I love trying new sponges. I love finding new sponges, especially affordable options. So this isn't my favorite shape of sponge, the one that's kind of like this like dome type sponge. These aren't my favorite, but it came with 2 of them. Actually feels pretty soft. I just don't love the shape of it. I wish I would have known that it was this kind of shape. I'm sure I should have paid attention and I would have known, but I'm gonna go ahead and get these to try. They do feel pretty nice. It kind of reminds me of like the Real Technique sponge as far as how it feels. Okay, and then getting into the products. So I actually purchased 2 different foundations. I've been just like craving trying a new foundation lately. I just feel like I'm getting a little bored with the ones that I have. I have my favorites. I have the ones that I use all the time, and I kind of was just like, well, let me get a new one and try some out, but I actually ended up getting two. So the first one is from the brand Zoeva, and this is new to Ulta, I believe. I haven't seen them in there before. So this is called their Authentic Skin Natural Luminous Foundation. So reading the claims on this sounds like everything that I love in a foundation. It was natural wear, it has a luminosity to it, it wasn't too full coverage. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the foundation. The shade that I got is 05N, and it's the shade Beautiful, I believe. And I'll go ahead and pull it out here. So here's the packaging. It's actually the same. It reminds me of the NARS packaging. But let me read you guys some of the claims on here. So it's a natural luminous foundation. So I liked some of the ingredients in here. It says it has rose hip oil. It's going to help glide and give you smooth, weightless finish, allowing your skin's natural luminosity to shine through. I really like rose hip oil. I've used it a bunch in the past. So I'm gonna go ahead and pump this out. I do like the fact that it has a pump, and we can see if we got a good shade match. I'm hoping. It actually looks like a pretty good shade for me. So here is the finish of it. It seems pretty liquidy, but it also looks like pretty good coverage. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out so we can kind of see. I can definitely see the luminosity in it. Ooh, I think I might like this. And it definitely looks like that's gonna be a pretty good shade match for me. So I'm excited about this. I haven't tried anything from Zoeva before, so I'm really interested to go ahead and give this one a try. It wasn't too badly priced either. I think it was like right about $25 for the foundation. And it does have a full ounce in here, 1 fluid ounce. And then the other foundation I went ahead and got is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And this is one that's been out for a while that I was holding off on. I wasn't sure if I really wanted it, but I have seen a lot of tutorials with people using this, and I've heard a lot of really good things about it. I've had it in my cart for quite some time, and I went ahead and finally just purchased it. So some of the claims on this one is a medium coverage foundation with a luminous natural finish, which is what I love. I love a medium coverage, luminous finish. So here is the component of that one. I went ahead and got the shade 26 0N, and I think that this is going to be a pretty good match from online from what I could see, but I don't know. It's so hard when you're trying to purchase them online to see like what's going to be a good shade match for you. I think that this actually, yeah, it's going to be pretty dark. Dang it. You can see how much different this one is from this one. It's going to be, I think, a little bit too dark for me. I was really hoping this one would work, but I might have to go ahead and exchange this one for a different color because I don't think that this one's going to match at all. That is a bummer. I'll have to go in store and go ahead and get a different one, but I'll probably just try it out to see how I like the finish of it. I can kind of make it work and make sure that I do like the finish in case I want to return it if I don't like it. Okay, and then the last things that I got are actually some eyeliners, which I was pretty excited about. So I got 3 different eyeliners. These are from the brand LA Girl, and these are called their neon eyeliners. And the reason I got these is I was actually watching a tutorial from I Love Seta E, and she used this color right here. This one's called Fresh, and she used this in her tutorial in her waterline. I just loved the color. I was like, I need that color. It's like a really pretty like aqua neon blue. Look at how gorgeous that is. And then I saw they had quite a few other ones. And again, they were like buy 2, get 1 free. So, you know, I purchased 3 of them. So we have a purple one here. These are so vibrant. They also are like a gel, so they look like they're gonna be pretty easy to put like in the waterline. And then I also got a yellow because I don't have a yellow one in my collection. So here is the yellow one right there. These are really fun. I love doing like a pop of eyeliner just in my waterline and having like a neutral eye. I always think that's really fun. And I'm excited to try this formula. I have tried their Glide On eye pencils in the past, but never the neon ones. And I know I really do like their Glide On ones, so I assume I'll like the formula of this one. Okay, and then that is going to do it for all of the products that I did go ahead and purchase from Ulta. So again, just some new foundations, a new eyeliner, and a few new skincare products. So you guys will have to let me know what you think of this haul down below. Have you tried any of these products? Did you take advantage of the sales over the holiday season? Drop anything new you've gotten in the comment section that you found that you love, because I would love to know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, friends.